This is how much came into my side hustle account within a period of February to August. Practically at the time, this was just basically for side hustle and there was no other income coming in. And I did this practically just with my phone and on WhatsApp. And literally, this is averaging about 300,000 naira a month. And I'm going to be showing you in this video how exactly I did it and how you can replicate that too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm TFI and I practically show you ways on how you can leverage the internet or online platforms to make money online. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made my very first 300,000 naira solely on WhatsApp. Now, just like I stated, this was my side hustle account and there was literally, of course, no salary coming into this particular account. And this is not one of those videos where I'm going to show you a certain app where you're going to leverage on do one or two tasks. This particular video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how I did this just with my phone. Now, at the time where I did this, I was working a 9 to 5, and of course, I wanted to make some extra money on the side. And if this is also your current situation, then I'm glad you found this video, and let's get cracking. Now, the very first step was to remove the stereotype on money. Now, a lot of people out there think making $1,000 online, making $100 online, making 300,000 naira online is quite over exaggerated. Well, at least I was once there until I took a paid course that exposed certain information to me. And guess what? I'm going to share that in the next few steps. So, and once I did this, it has been a life changer for me. Now, the next step I did was to find existing problem in my existing niche. Now, honestly, I'm going to tell you that this is actually not far-fetched for what you are actually doing. So for me, as at the time, I was a makeup artist, and of course, I was amongst Facebook groups on makeup and other makeup pages. Of course, by the way, if you need makeup tips, beauty tips, I'm going to be attaching my other channel as regards makeup and beauty tips here. So for my ladies, if you find that helpful, do well, by all means, go there and check it out. So now back to it. I found a large number of people who had a certain problem in this niche, and a large chunk of them didn't know how to do their own makeup. And of course, I confirmed this from the comment section, the questions that were being asked on various platforms. And this was a problem I discovered. This was a gap I discovered that I intended to fill. So this is the step two. Make sure you find an existing gap in your niche. So let's say you are a chef and people are looking forward to getting certain intercontinental dishes, the knowledge of that, or how to serve like serving food, or maybe you're a video editor and people are literally looking for ways on how to get more eye-catchy reels on their social media platforms like Facebook reels, Instagram reels. That is literally a gap. Now, the very third step I did is I created a solution to that problem. Now, mind you, ensure that your solution is actually giving value. Now, what I did was to create an online course. And of course, this wasn't an online book because I'm literally showing you how I did it. It wasn't an online book. It was an online teaching course. This was a class. I created videos, I compiled them, I created notes, and I prepared the notes. Then the next thing I did was I created an e-flyer that was literally saying, or that was literally capturing what this class entails. And this should capture the value that whatever you are doing is actually giving. Now, step 4. The next thing you want to do is you want to put a price tag on the solution that you are actually giving to solve that problem. Now, because the solution is giving value, people were willing to pay for that value. Now, remember I initially said that you first of all remove the stereotype on money. So basically to hit 300,000 naira and you are selling, if you are selling an online course, you just need to understand how money works. So if you are selling an online course at the rate of 1,000 naira per course, then you would need to look for 300 persons who are willing to pay for that value you are about to give. And now, if you are putting the rate at the rate of 5,000 naira, then you should look for 60 persons at least who are willing to pay for that particular value that you are about to give. And now, if you are putting your rate at the rate of, let's say, 10,000 naira per the class, then you should be looking for at least 30 persons who are willing to pay for this particular value. Now, for me, what I did, I put my rate at the rate of 1,000 naira. And this is because I just wanted to try it out. And of course, let's see what happened in the next few steps. Now, the next thing I did is I went ahead and I promoted the solution. So this is what you want to do. So for me, I was in several groups as regards, makeup and everything. So I promoted them. I also went ahead and I ran ads Of course, I majorly ran ads on Facebook and I directed the prospects on WhatsApp. This is something you can also replicate to. And of course, if you want to run ads on Facebook, you need to have a Facebook page. So I have a Facebook page, so I practically run ads. And of course, I set it to direct them straight into my WhatsApp. Now, for your ads, one thing about running ads for your ads is you need to have a good offer. You need to have a selling point. And this is one of the things I learned in the online course, which actually exposed me to this certain information, because it's not about just putting out a solution. You need to put an offer. Why must this person choose you over the next person who is making the same offer? You need to have a selling point. So basically, mine was literally offering so much value at such little price. And because it was so good to be true, people literally gave me their money. This is the credits, and it just kept coming in and coming in and coming in and coming in just like that. Now, the step 6, which is the next step, is for you to actually give value. So I promised so much value, so good to be true, for such little price, and I give so much value. And this actually helped me to get my very first set of reviews, of which helped me attract more people who were willing to pay me without even me making an effort. So if this is what you want to leverage on, if you are promising a certain value or you are promising a certain selling point, ensure to keep to your end of the bargain, because this is what is going to speak for you in the long run. In the first run, you will need to put a little initial effort in convincing people, like putting out an ad copy and everything. But once you start getting in reviews, other people who see those reviews will literally have a clue that you are actually, you know your onions, and what you say is what you do. So you will literally make little efforts in the long run. And of course, when you do this, you literally watch the cash keep pumping in. So this is basically how I did it in literally 6 steps. And this was able to help me cash out this within the space of a few months, just selling a single product at the rate of 8,000 naira. And if you found this helpful, do want to leave in the comment section. If you have any questions, do want to leave in the comment section. Have you tried this out? What were your challenges? Or what do you do? And what are you planning to sell? Or what gap have you found in a particular niche of your industry and you think would be a good idea to sell? Just leave in a comment. Let me hear what you think. And do want to smash the like button if you actually found this video helpful. Do want to comment. Do want to also hit the subscribe button. If you find videos like this helpful, I am TFI, I remain TFI, and I literally help to show you ways on how to make money online. And if this is something that resonates with you, by all means, subscribe and join the family. Cheers and bye.